Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video you are going to get tons of cleaning motivation. It actually took me 2 days to get the house clean, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. I just want you guys to, right now, if you haven't done so already, just go ahead, take a moment and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Definitely say hello to me in the comments. But I know if you've been watching my channel before, you may have noticed that I have been gone for a while and I do sound a little bit congested right now. So I have so much to fill you guys in on the time that I've been gone. But thank you so much for watching. And so right now I'm just going to go ahead and get started cleaning in the bathroom. This is usually my favorite place to start. I always try to switch and go to the kitchen or start somewhere else, but I don't know why. Just in my brain, when it's time to start cleaning the whole house, the bathroom is always the first spot for me. And I also like to sometimes start cleaning really early in the morning while everyone is still asleep. And this is just a space that I won't disturb or wake anyone up while I'm cleaning in here. So on this particular day, I think I got up at 5 or 6 a.m. and started cleaning. I can't remember. But I started in the bathroom because I wanted to start in the kitchen, but I always feel like I have to wait to do the kitchen until everyone is up and out of the house because it gets so much traffic, and putting any dishes or pots and pans away while everyone is asleep is just a definite no-no. So let's go ahead, get started cleaning in this bathroom. If you are cleaning, go ahead and start cleaning along with me. If not, I hope this gives you motivation to clean as soon as this video is over. And now we are moving on to scrubbing the tub. So I recently started using this Comet Soft Scrub. It's like a cream cleanser. I really like using this because it's really good for tough to get places. It kind of can sit and soak, and I like that a lot. I also like how quick and easy it is to clean with this because right now my boys are taking a bath with Dove, and for some reason every single time they take a bath there's a ring of soap scum around the tub. So this just makes it really easy to get rid of that ring really quickly, but it's also really good for the grout. I feel like it's super easy to get to, so that's why I put it on my scrub brush to scrub the tiles, just so that I can get in those hard to reach places between the tiles. I feel like it really is good for if I can't physically touch every single piece of the grout, just knowing that it's clean and sanitized really gives me peace of mind.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees, and when she's gonna miss her so.
And now while I'm waiting for the floors to dry after I've mopped them before I put the rugs down, I'm just going to go ahead and move into my son's room and start cleaning his room. On this particular day, I was taking his sheets and everything off. So I've been gone for a while, and it's because it was my birthday, and I took a couple days off for my birthday, and then not long after my birthday, my oldest son got sick and he was home from school for a couple of days. So on this day, I just was trying to clean and keep his room really sanitized. So I had been changing his sheets pretty often. But not long after he got sick, my youngest got sick. Then I got sick, and then it was my mom's birthday. There was like something going on like literally every week, back to back. Since the beginning of August, we've had something going on, or someone has been sick. I recently had to take my youngest to the emergency room when he got sick, but everyone's doing better now. We all still have like a little bit of congestion, but it's nothing like really serious. We're all kind of just still taking medication here and there just to get it totally cleared up. But I have been doing like lots of cleaning, lots of laundry, because I'm just trying to make sure that we don't have any germs lingering behind, so that once we're all good and healthy, like this is over. I feel like it's like back to school germs though, because I felt like during the summer it was like pretty easy, pretty good. We weren't getting sick very often, but since my oldest has gone back to school, it's been something every week. And I feel like a lot of my friends, they're experiencing the same thing with their children. I think it's just those back to school germs. Everyone's getting used to being back in school again, and hopefully this means we won't have to go through anything during cold and flu season when its temperature starts to drop outside. Like hopefully our immune systems are prepared and we just get skipped over.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind, talking to you.
So I just want to take a second, if you are new here, to introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys, Jackson, and that's whose room I'm cleaning right now. He is 6 and in the 1st grade, but he's going to be turning 7 soon. And I also have my 1-year-old Lincoln. He will be 2 in January. I love staying at home with them, and I love making cleaning content on YouTube. I love getting to know everyone and talk to everyone. So if you're new, please introduce yourself in the comments. If you are not new, please also say hello to me in the comments. I love chatting and talking with everyone. But I wanted to know, do I have any other stay-at-home moms following me or watching any of my videos? With my youngest Lincoln, he's a year old, and like I said, he's gonna be 2 soon, and I've just been trying to come up with a really good daily routine for him. I see there's so much stuff online, and some things seem so unrealistic, some things seem very doable, but I kind of want him to have a little bit of structure while he's at home with me. I do try to do some educational activities throughout the day, but I don't ever want to overwhelm him or do things that don't interest him at all, that he's not even benefiting from. So let me know in the comments, are you a stay-at-home mom, and what does your day look like? And now that the floor is dry, I'm just going to go ahead and put these clean rugs back down. I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, but usually every time I'm cleaning, the first thing I do when I start cleaning is go into the bathroom and take the rugs and put them in the washer, and then I dry them so that I can put them back down. I try to wash and dry our bathroom rugs at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. I just feel like they can get really gross, especially with my 6-year-old in his bathroom. There could be a lot on the rug around the toilet, so I try to keep that pretty clean. And now we are moving into my bathroom. if you've ever watched my videos before, you know my bathroom is very small. Our house is pretty old, but we love it. We absolutely love our house and the location. But my bathroom is pretty small, so it doesn't take much for it to look like a mess because there's already not a lot of room in here. So if I like do my skincare routine in the morning and don't put all of my products away, it looks really messy really quick. So I try to keep this area pretty clean and tidy. I like to wipe it down like a couple times throughout the week, just like every morning, trying to be mindful and make sure that I put all of my items away, all of my hygiene products away right away, because it gets really messy really quick. And on this particular day, I think I wasn't feeling well, so it definitely got pretty messy pretty quickly.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same.
And we are now moving into the kitchen. I have some things left out from what we ate earlier that just need to be cleaned up and put away. Like, it's such a mess in here. But like I said, I wasn't really feeling well, so I have been trying to maintain like keeping the kitchen really clean. But between like myself not feeling good, the boys not feeling good, my husband was kind of like on his own, taking medication and staying on top of everyone's doses was like all that was my only focus, like getting us better quicker.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
So during the time that I wasn't feeling well, I have been watching tons of YouTube, and I have been absolutely loving all of the fall clean and decorate with me videos. They're so exciting. I'm like so anxious and excited to decorate. I have a lot of my fall decor already. I just haven't decorated yet because I haven't been feeling up to it with not feeling well. And then my mom's birthday recently passed, and we threw her a really big birthday party. So I kind of was focused on that and just like trying to keep the house clean with so much going on. But I'm definitely ready to decorate for fall. So make sure you're subscribed and you have your notification bell turned on so that you get notified when I post those videos. But I have been loving everyone's videos, and like I said, I live in South Florida, so for us, like, the weather doesn't really change much. And like October, November, it cools down some. Even I feel like at the end of September, it does cool down a little bit, but not very much. But I do like fall activities. I love going to the pumpkin patch. I love Halloween, getting ready for Thanksgiving. But let me know where you're from and like when does the weather change there, and what are like some of your favorite things about fall, because I know like throughout most of the South it stays pretty warm during the fall, but I know there's like lots of things to do. Like, I love seasonal activities. I wish I lived somewhere where I could go like apple picking. I feel like that's something I always see on the Hallmark Channel, but I've never got to do in real life, and I don't even know where I could go to go do that in real life. But let me know, like, what do you guys do during the fall? Like, what are some of your favorite fall activities?
down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves.
There is one more thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. So when I was out shopping for fall decor, I went to Hobby Lobby and they are having a huge sale on their spring items. And I wanted to know, like, does everyone do this? Like, at the end of a season, do you buy the on sale items to stock up for next season? Well, for the next year, that season, the next year? Or do you just wait and buy your seasonal items every year? Or do you just like reuse what you have? I'm curious because so I purchased a few items for spring and I'm kind of torn about it. Like, I really do love the items. That's what made me like pick them up in the first place, but they were on sale and the prices were prices that I just like could not pass up. But sometimes I'm kind of that person who has like FOMO, and I'm like, oh, what if I get these items and next year around spring, like there's a new line that comes out that I really like. And then I also do try to use items that I have and just kind of add a couple of more pieces every year. So I'm really torn. Well, I shouldn't say torn because I'm definitely going to keep the items. They were the Dolly Parton spring line. I love Dolly Parton for one, but the decor, like, it really matches the colors in my home and it's just like super cute. And I feel like the things that I got, I could easily like find pieces to go with it next year if I want to add more. But the sale was really good. Also, let me know, like, have you all been in Hobby Lobby? I know there's not one everywhere, but have you all been in Hobby Lobby and have you seen the sale items? And you probably see Lincoln, he kept smiling at the camera. This was the next day. Like, I was feeling super tired and drained after the first day, so I just kind of put a pause on cleaning the dining room and our family room area just so that I could get some rest and recharge for the next day before moving into cleaning these areas.
Weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving along the roads and never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving.
So as I'm watching this back, I'm just kind of laughing at myself because my brain was obviously like in such a fog. Like, I'm kind of cleaning the floor, then like cleaning the table, then back to the floor, like back and forth and on my phone. I was leaving out some of Jackson's homework because he hadn't finished his homework for the day, and we do like flashcards and everything with him every day. So like I was trying to leave those items out, but also put a lot of things away and get the floors clean. As I'm watching back, I probably should have just rested one more day because I keep sweeping under the table. But there's an entire can of multi-surface cleaner under the table that just I did not touch until like right when I was like, oh, I'm done cleaning, and I stepped back to look because I love to have that like step back moment and see like, oh, everything's good, and I noticed it there. But that was just really funny. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.